And this is the one way, one of many ways to diagnose that one. Yin or yang. Make noise. Oh, noise. Okay. Make noise. The round side. Okay, the other side. And then later, you tell people that which side you prefer. Okay. The other side. We go here. Quiet doesn't make noise.
Bardzo
So
cicho.
So women and men make noise.
Kobieta czy mężczyzna?
Women. So women yin or yang. But then you all correct.
A więc
Yeah. Very noisy. Which you prefer? Yin. Yin.
How do you feel? Tak? To znaczy, że ona potrzebuje tego. To znaczy, że jest bardziej jak.
I'm asking you how is
Pleasure.
Pleasure. And
Przyjemność daje.
this called big hammer.
To jest duży młotek.
To release the tension at the neck pain, shoulder pain, and sciatic.
To jest duży młotek. On jest idealny do tego, żeby uwolnić napięcia mięśni. Jest naprawdę idealny.
So directly to the pain. You can tell people. This is very swallow stimulation. This one go deeper. Feeling.
A
When
więc
I use this, so I use for you. You choose. You prefer this one first.
ta pierwsza będzie. No. Okay, next one. Thao.
Really? Really? Thank you so much. Thank you. So it means, do you recognize that this tool can help us to realize this person is yin or yang without asking anything. So that is the big difference with other massage tool. The same.
Tak samo tutaj.
The same. Yin, yang. And then when we massage here,
Jak ktoś ma problemy z palcami, to jest bardzo dobre. Możemy rozmasować i sprawdzić, czy ktoś potrzebuje yin czy yang. Też na wszelkie krawędzie to jest bardzo dobre, na krawędzie stóp też.
and very different when you touch the face or the body, fingers. They can tell you which side they prefer. And this is the one way, one of many ways to diagnose that one yin or yang.